Big rain may be actually after you go to sleep. But look at what's happening right now. It's quiet. The temperatures are mild. 48 in Westchester, 54 in South Orange, 53 Flushing, Queens. Low 50s just about everywhere in the tri-state, all because of winds out of the south. And that's bringing up that moisture and the warmer air from the Gulf of Mexico as well as the tropics in the Atlantic. Now, the frontal system just to the west of us, an area of low pressure is going to develop on that front. And that's going to drive this story. As the low gets closer to us, it'll be close enough to the ocean to bring us a chance of rain. So the rain futurecast shows you starting as early as 10. I can't rule out some drops, but probably 1, 2 p.m. that's when you're going to start to see waves of rain bubbling up from the south. Here we go, 1 o'clock and then 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, same thing. Chances of rain, but you don't see the reds. What you're seeing right now are greens from the Bronx, Brooklyn, Staten Island, Queens, Manhattan, over Hoboken, Weehawken, Jersey City, Fort Lee, into Long Island. That means light to moderate rain. We can handle that at 7 o'clock. As we progress to 8, 9 o'clock, then the low should get closer to us over the ocean. On the backside of that low, that's going to bring in more moisture from the Atlantic, and we got a lot of water to work with, right? Giving us enough lift with cold air behind this system and then the warm air ahead of this system. This could be like a spring storm. Seeing tornadoes to the south of us. There's no tornado watches for us, but there is a lot of lift in the atmosphere by 10 p.m. The red colors now over Hoboken, Weehawken, Jersey City, Fort Lee, into the Bronx, Brooklyn, Staten Island, Queens, Manhattan. See, this is what I'm saying. By 10 p.m., you're probably indoors. This is an opportunity to even hear some thunder, if not see some lightning, because that shows you with the red color strong updrafts and downdrafts. The higher moisture-laden air has to rise and come down. It becomes a downpour, and there could be some local flooding. Can't rule out a localized area of flash flooding. So if you get zapped on your phone, if you're in a basement apartment, just remember, you got to get out. If it says get out of your apartment, get out of your apartment. And then the rain is basically over by 5 in the morning on Monday, tomorrow morning, so the commute should be okay. It looks like the heaviest rainfall will probably be somewhere after 9 p.m. until about 3, 4 in the morning. 2 to 4 inches of rain. National Weather Service flash flood watch in place today, and they believe it's possible over Long Island and Connecticut to get 5 inches of rain. So know that. And as I said, high winds in the forecast today. You can see the winds gusting 40 to 50 miles an hour. That should take down some power lines and some trees. In my weather toolbox, now we're talking about the temperatures. And the reason we're warm is because of that southwest wind. Temperatures are in the 80s down in Florida, and that's got the warm air on top of us. But as the front pushes through, all of a sudden that cold air from Canada that's in Chicago right now is going to interact with the warm air, and that's going to create the thunderstorms. Our highs this afternoon could get close to 65 before the real rain starts, but then things change drastically. As the cold air gets here by Tuesday morning, that will bring our temperature down to a wind chill in the teens, 12 to 20 degrees possible Tuesday morning. So enjoy the warm air before all the rain. 65 today, and it could be very messy, if not even the potential for severe weather.